Okay, you have your top of your lid all cut at 11.5 by 11.5, and you've already scored it in half. We're going to go ahead now and push that side down, fold this other side down, and now we're getting ready to do the same folds we did. The pattern that we're going to follow, the folds, is exactly the same as that we did for the bottom. We're just doing it on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and fold these inside corners in. And this designer series paper, like I said before, is not quite as thick as the cardstock, but you do want to use the bone folder because you want to have nice, tight scores. So all 4 edges come into the center. And you're set there. And then you want to have one edge up. Take this bottom edge, fold it to the middle, score down. Now, some people may, I have this grid paper here, and you can use this grid paper a lot as a guideline to help you do your folds. I'm kind of, again, an eyeball folder, so I just match my lines up here and do my fold. I'll turn it and do my final 2 folds. And once you've done this a couple times, you can do it like me, just off the top of your head. It's really easy, it's fun, and it's going to make a great gift for your Valentine's person.